One, two, three. Three cats. Run. Maxwell. This one. What's his name? What's his name? This one. What's his name?
I'll call her
Baliling.
Balaling.
Yeah, Baliling.
Similar to Bella.
Bella. Bella.
Remember her?
Yeah, Bella from the Forest Park. And this one, this girl right here.
I'll name her.
Oh, easy. She looks.
Maybe I'll call her.
Uy, maybe another kid.
Oh.
There's a lot of cats here.
I'll name her. Hi. Pee-pee.
Pipi.
What's her name?
Pipi. Sabi niya, hi, Pipi.
Hippie. She said he. He said he.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
Fell in love.
She fell in love. I love you,
I love you,
cat.
Catty.
She's coming.
Let's go home, cat.
Let's go home, cat.
Just go with us.
She's the president of the cat
Association.
association. Because she has tasks. She has a job
Their
to do.
their organization is CAP. Cat Association of the Philippines.
She's the president. She's gonna tour you.
She's gonna come with us.
So cute.
She's gonna come with us. Hey, she's coming.
She's coming with Will.
Good job. Come
But
on.
she's not gonna come home because she might make a mess.
Yeah.
Bye bye, cat.
Bye bye. Bye bye, hippie.
Did you video it?
Yeah, I did.